The Nike Air Force One linen is largely considered one of the best Air Force Ones of all time, and now I finally have my hands on a pair. This cult classic hit stores for the first time globally in 2024, and now I finally have my hands on a pair. The Nike Air Force One Low Linen hit retail stores July 13th for a retail price of $135. This Air Force One Low is one of my favorites, and I wanted them ever since I saw them back in 2007. This iteration of the Nike Air Force One Low features a delightful mix of linen, atmosphere, and true white. The light brown leather on this sneaker just sets it apart from many Air Force Ones. I don't really know what it is, but this sneaker just looks so elegant and classic. The light brown leather offers a rich and buttery tumbled texture. Majority of this leather is tumbled, and it's also genuine leather all over the sneaker. A nice hit and one of my favorite details on the sneaker is the playful pink swoosh on the toe. Oh yeah, also it's embroidered. Unfortunately, we only get one pair of laces with this sneaker, which is white as you can see, and I say unfortunately because I love getting extra laces, but to be honest, even if I did get extra laces, I wouldn't even do a lace swap. I also love when Air Force Ones have a leather tongue. Normally they are nylon, but this pair, as you can see, is white leather. The tongue is also tumbled as well. At the very top, we have a white tongue tag with Nike Air Force One embroidered in as well. Behind the tongue and the entire lining of the sneaker is this nice silk white. It's also very padded and very plush. The insoles are nothing special, just simple tan insoles with Nike Air in that pink as well. At the bottom of the sneaker, we have a white midsole with Air in pink, and on the outsole, we have all of that nice beautiful pink as well.